So it's going to be a brief video tutorial on how to make a heat map that looks like this using Google Scripts so that you can export your Google Ads data into Google Sheets and have this generated automatically. So I'm going to go into Google Ads. I'm going to click Tools, Bulk Actions, Scripts. Click New Script. It's going to take a second. I'm going to pause while it loads. Say okay, cool. So I'm going to add the information here. I'm gonna copy, paste this, scroll to here. Cool. I'm gonna go click run, preview. So this authorize will connect to whatever Google account holds the Google Sheet that you're gonna export this data to. So you click authorize and you just get a pop up with your account. You just click a few times, give it the permissions, real quick and simple. Pause while I do that. Okay, cool, it's been done. I'm gonna run this, preview. Should take like 6 seconds, maybe more depending on the amount of data you guys have in your account. This is a small one. Anything in the logs, no logger output, so it should be a good sign. So we have sheet 1, and we're gonna check the impressions. And ta-da, all right, cool. So created this all from scratch. Yeah, originally I wanted this video to be about how to create the code for one of these using Claude. So I actually generated this just looking throughout some of these these Google Ads heat maps. So what I did is I pasted in here in Claude, and I gave it some prompts saying, hey, you know, I want the chart to look like this. Here's the extra criteria. It was generating code over here. Though it had more bugs in it than I felt like going through in one video, because basically I would copy this, run it, get an error, and say, hey, based on this code, debug it. But it's really useful. I'm a software engineer, so it's easy enough for me to debug these things. But even if you're a non-technical person, you just want scripts, if you can provide an actual image of what you're looking for and really detailed descriptions of how to get there, and then even if it doesn't work the first time, you can just feed the codes and the error back into Claude and say, hey, this code gave me this error, can you fix it? It can actually do that pretty well. The first time I did that, after the prompt, I had to fix 2 bugs but Claude did it for me both times. And I was able to get it up and running in like, I don't know, 5 minutes. As opposed to when I did this earlier in my career and it took like a week to be able to integrate data systems, do the data transformations, and then actually generate the chart and piece together all the documentation on the internet. So yeah, I'm going to make this code available in the comments. So yeah, hope, if you guys like the video, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.